Hello, my dear friends, how are you? A very shocking incident took place there in Lahore while the traffic was passing from an underpass. Somebody wealthy enough, having a security personnel along with him, private security personnel, riding a Vigo, they bat a young man who was also riding his car. Why? Because they were of the view that they are a very wealthy people, so they are carrying a lot of security personnel because of their wealth, so they have got a much more right as compared to the rest of the citizens, forgetting this is not their private property at all. It is a public place, and at public place everybody has got equal right. So this, people who were standing there, they made a video of it, and the video went viral. That is something good about nowadays. What is happening nowadays? So, my dear friends and fellows, what did happen then? That the government Punjab started thinking about it. What is this nonsense? And it is like there is a rule of a jungle here. It's not a jungle. It shouldn't be like that. Then, after some sort of deliberation, they declared that it is totally unlawful that you are carrying the lot of security personnel along with you, riding the produce, riding the Vigo mini trucks, and it is not allowed. Now, now the rules and regulations have been made, and these rules and regulations are that show of power on the road, show off. It is totally unlawful to be accompanied by many of the security guards, personal security guards, carrying carrying firearms, and the security vehicles like Vigo pickup trucks, Parados, having lots of security guards, firearm, and police lights on those security vehicles, sirens on those Vigo vehicles, and black glosses. That all of these are unlawful now, and display of the firearm, and the uniforms which resemble that of the security departments like police and others. So all of that has been totally unlawful. 2 weeks has been given, and during these 2 weeks, the people are going. Those people having lot of wealth, carrying these sort of security personnel with them, they are going to be made aware of it about the new laws. After the passage of 2 weeks, nobody will be given a warning. Rather, everybody will be prosecuted, and a stern action is going to be taken. 2 weeks only, not more than that at all. I think that is a very rightful place. That is a very rightful action, and I think that it is very important, because the people with the black money, or even if at all the money is legal one, they have got no right to display their power on the road. If at all the threat to their life is a very genuine one, if at all there is somebody having a very genuine threat to their life, they need to seek a permission from the police. And once, even if at all they are permitted, there are certain things to be taken care of. It's not like you can carry on or you can restart what you were doing earlier. It's not allowed at all. Now, a very limited, there is a curve on everything else, that you can do this, you can do that. There are certain do's and don'ts. There are certain do's and don'ts which are going to be made compulsory. And again, even if at all somebody has got the permission and they are exceeding the limit, in they are violating the rule, they too will be prosecuted and a stern action is going to be taken against those. I think it is a very, very rightful thing, and the rest of the provinces, other than the province of Punjab, they too should be following the suit, and they should be doing the similar actions, as it is very, very important. I think this step of the Punjab government must be appreciated.